Minister for Interior was here. He can go ahead, make sure all the criminal gangs, they are dealt with family. Because if we law, those teams, they are specific, they are known, they are behind a certain individuals. They are only using the label, you know we are in the government. Who is not in government? I'm running my government. You are not going to distract me from the cause. Ukipanga vita, mimi naendelea kwa maendeleo. But for those ones who are associated with politicians who tell them, oh, unajua sisi ndio serikali, oh, you can kill, you can do everything. Ngabana, we want to make sure everywhere in Kisii there is peace. People can go to business as usual. Therefore, I want to urge leaders. Our division has costed us so much. Mpaka viongozi wakuu kule juu wanasema kwamba they cannot come to Kisii simply because kuna watu wanapigana kwa matanga. Basa ni watu wanapigana, ni matusi. We can't move. Ndio uwanja na toka in that route. I want to plead with my leaders, all leaders, please, bury the hatches. Let us make sure our count goes forward.
Haya, tukirenda ripoti haya mwini ogwetwa mundu ogwetwa